Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an OnlyFans account without using a credit card. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to onlyfans.com. On the homepage, click Sign up for OnlyFans. Now you will see different options to create an account. You can use your Google account, Twitter, even your email, or choose passwordless sign in. Pick the option that's most convenient for you. Here I am choosing my Google account to sign in. Once your account is created, you can access free content or follow creators who don't require paid subscription. No credit card needed for that. If you decide to subscribe to paid content later, you can use a virtual debit card, prepaid card, or other accepted payment options instead of a credit card. But for just browsing free content or setting up your profile, you won't need a credit card at all. And that's it. Now you know how to create an OnlyFans account without a credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.